Welcome back to Bike Hub, your go-to spot for the hottest updates and reviews from the motorcycle world. Today, we are diving deep into something extraordinary, the official update and final launch of the 2025 Harley Davidson Model R. Yes, you heard it right, Harley Davidson has dropped a bombshell with the Model R, and the legend is truly back. From power-packed performance to a fresh design DNA, the Model R is not just a motorcycle, it's a revolution on two wheels. So buckle up, legends, because what we're about to unfold might just blow your mind. The legacy behind the R. Before we hit the throttle on the new specs, let's rewind a bit. Harley Davidson has always been the heartbeat of American cruisers. With bikes like the Fat Boy, Sportster, and the Road Glide setting benchmarks for decades, Harley now sets a bold new course with the 2025 Model R. The R isn't just a letter, it stands for reinvention, rebellion, and raw power. This isn't about nostalgia. This is about rewriting the future, Harley's way. Engine and performance. Under the tank of the Model R lies the RevoMax 1310 V-Twin, a brand new powerplant built for the modern age. This liquid-cooled engine churns out a monstrous 140 horsepower and 145 Nm of torque, making it the most performance-oriented street machine Harley has released in years. Engine type. Max power, 140 HP. Torque, 145 Nm at 4,200 RPM. Transmission, 6-speed manual with quickshifter. Top speed, 230 plus km/h. 0 to 100 km per hour, in just 3.8 seconds. Whether you're cruising through the city or launching down the highway, the Model R responds like a muscle bike but handles like a street fighter. This is Harley's power like you've never experienced before. Hammer and wrench design, aggressive. The 2025 Model R introduces neo-aggressive cruiser styling. Harley's designers took bold steps here, blending retro muscularity with futuristic sharpness. LED infinity headlamp with DRL halo. Low-rise handlebars, aggressive tank lines. Single-sided swing arm for that clean rear wheel look. Carbon fiber body elements for lightweight edge. Color options, gunmetal black, rebel red, phantom gray, and special edition neon orange. This isn't your granddad's Harley. The Model R looks fast even when parked. The frame is compact but muscular, giving it a fighting stance that screams performance. Chassis and handling. The bike's monoshock rear suspension, high-performance inverted forks, and Brembo braking system ensure the Model R handles as good as it accelerates. Chassis type, lightweight alloy trellis frame. Front suspension, 43 mm upside-down forks. Rear suspension, preload adjustable monoshock. Brakes, dual 320 mm front discs with ABS, single 280 mm rear. Tires, Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4. Add in a low seat height of 720 mm and a curb weight of just 205 kg, and the Model R offers confident cornering and maneuverability, whether you're a seasoned rider or a street newbie. Tech and features. Harley went all out with the tech on the 2025 Model R. You get a 6.2-inch TFT touch display with Bluetooth, GPS navigation, and a performance dash. Ride modes, road, sport, rain, and custom. Launch control and cornering traction control. Bluetooth connectivity with Harley Ride Plus app. Integrated GoPro control and voice commands. USB-C quick charge port and keyless ignition. This is not just a motorcycle, it's a tech-forward smart bike for the next-gen rider who wants both attitude and intelligence. Fuel economy and range. You wouldn't expect a performance bike to be efficient, but the 2025 Model R delivers respectable numbers. Fuel tank, 17.5 liters. Mileage, around 18 to 20 km/L, combined. Range, approximate, 300 to 350 km per full tank. Harley strikes a balance between range and rawness, ensuring you're not stopping at every gas station during your rides. Competition check. The Model R goes head-to-head with Indian FTR 1200S, Ducati Diavel V4, Triumph Rocket 3R, Yamaha VMAX 2025. However, Harley's advantage lies in its American soul, modern engineering, and a price tag that's surprisingly aggressive for what it delivers. Price and variants. The 2025 Harley Davidson Model R comes in 3 variants. Standard Model R. Basic variant with all performance essentials. Expected price, $16,999 USD. Model R Performance. With upgraded quickshifter, premium exhaust. Expected price, $18,999 USD. Model R Special Edition. Limited colors, carbon detailing, exclusive badge. Expected price, $20,999 USD. For a bike that mixes cutting-edge tech, heritage performance, and aggressive styling, this pricing is extremely competitive. Rider experience. The Harley Davidson Model R is for riders who love raw torque and city dominance. Custom build lovers who want a modern base. Tourers who crave short weekend blasts with modern comfort. Millennials and Gen Z bikers who want Harley's modern legacy. It's a bike that bridges generations, giving old-school Harley lovers something new to love and introducing younger riders to the reimagined Harley spirit. Customization. As expected, Harley gives you full freedom to customize the Model R. Official accessories include Screamin' Eagle Performance Kit, saddlebags and tail packs, optional exhaust systems, fly screen and fairing options, custom seats and peg kits. You can turn your Model R into a mini tourer, a performance street monster, or even a stealth cafe-style tracker. The possibilities are endless. Global impact. Harley Davidson is going big with the Model R's global release, targeting USA, Europe, India, Southeast Asia, Australia. Each region will get region-specific color trims, custom accessories, and locally compliant exhaust setups. Final verdict. So what's the final word from Bike Hub? The 2025 Harley Davidson Model R is not just a motorcycle, it's a symbol. A symbol that Harley is not backing down, but rather stepping forward with a vengeance. With futuristic looks, heart-throbbing performance, and smart tech, the Model R is the ultimate fusion of past and future. If you've ever dreamt of a Harley that's modern, aggressive, lightweight, and thrilling, this is it. The update is here. The launch is final. The legend is back. Outro, subscribe to Bike Hub. Thanks for riding along with us on this deep dive into the 2025 Harley Davidson Model R. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the freshest motorcycle content. This is Bike Hub, and we'll keep bringing the fire from the world of two wheels. Until next time, keep your engines roaring and remember, the legend is back.